Okay, update. I've just finished the popcorn stitch on this one. I've measured them. They're fine. They look fine. Ignore that. It's the only one that's missing. Ignore that. Basically now I need to join these two together with the yellow and do the straps for the back. I think it's like skip one, crochet one, skip one, stitch one, skip one, stitch one. Something like that to get a little like window pattern, and then it's onto the body, which I am dreading. And it's all completely in green, I do believe. Yeah, or is it completely in blue? No, it's completely in blue and then green. I can't remember whether I got 2 balls of this or not. I think I got 2 balls of each, didn't I? Or did I get 2 white and then 1 each of these? I don't think this is gonna do an entire body, even though I have done these with this, and you know, it's not used up much. I'm loving cotton yarn, by the way. Update on the cotton yarn. I feel like I can't go back to acrylic after using cotton yarn. It's so pleasurable to work with. Also ignore the ends. I'm dreading weaving all those in. I'm probably gonna have to do that. It's probably gonna take me an entire day to do all this. But yeah, if I can get the bralette done, that'd be wicked. But yeah, I need to hurry up because I literally have 4 days to do this and complete the granny square bag. So yeah, I'm gonna get on with this. I'm watching Strangers Part 1. It's like a hit watch, you know? But yeah, I'm just watching Strangers Part 1 and it's got 57 minutes left. So I'm hoping by those 57 minutes I have done the window stitch at least. But yeah, I'll update you soon. Okay, so I'm a genius. I've gone through the bottom of this, and when I've been doing my single crochets, I've been weaving in the edges as I've gone. So now all I need to do is just snip these bits off, and they're practically weaved in. I say practically, like this one I started to weave in when I did this one. So I've cut out a lot of time for myself. It's just these ones I'll need to do. But I forgot to mention in the last video, if you're going to use this pattern that I've used, it's on Etsy, just be warned that the stitches that they mentioned in this one aren't the usual stitches that you could be using. So there's obviously like American and English terms for crocheting, and I'm pretty sure the majority of people do the American one, same as me, which is basically, so like your single crochets are insert hook, yarn over, pull through. Like that's a single, and then your double is yarn over, put through the hoop, yarn over, pull through one, yarn over, pull through one. That's your double. I noticed this halfway through making this one that I had to like restart it, but like this one for example, she says double crochet all along the bottom, when in the photos she's single crocheting in my terms that I use. So just be careful of that, because yeah, it threw me off. And even looking at it now, I'm pretty sure I've just done my own. Like that's double crochet, but in that it looks single crochet for all of these ones. It's probably why it's so gappy, but it's too late to restart now. But yeah, I forgot to mention it in the last video, but just so you know, yeah, just make sure the terms, she's using the same terms as you do, or make sure you adjust it. So there's a lot of like triple crochet mentioned in this, but it's not, it's just double crochet, like standard double crochet. I'm pretty sure it's American terms, but yeah, I forgot to mention it. But I hate doing this because I never know where to put the stitches, so this is looking a bit janky, but you won't really be able to notice it from far away, hopefully. 10 minutes to wait for the tram. I'm basically going to a coffee shop to finish the bag for Maya. I got the matcha. It's open till 8, so I will potentially be staying till 8. But I brought like my laptop and everything. I'm determined to get it done today, or at least somewhat finished. And if I need any more white yarn, then I can just nip to the shop because it's right next door. But yeah, it's very warm, very sunny. But yeah. And since I'm there, I'm obviously going to go to Forbidden Planet. Oh god, I'm not going to spend much. I'm just going to get one if there are any Hiranas left. But yeah, they had like a restock days ago, so see how it goes. Okay, well, actually, I bought a mini mic so you can hear me better. I'm hoping you can hear me better and I'm hoping I've connected it properly. Ignore the fact I've still got yesterday's mascara and eyebrows on and I'm really greasy. But I am practically giving up on this bag. Maya literally came back from Greece last week, so I did not get it done in time. Can't set the door. I did not get it done on time. It's really annoying me. I can't figure out how this person has done the straps on the original picture, sorry, this one. So I've been following different YouTube tutorials and I still can't figure out the handles, so I'm just going to freestyle it, and if it goes wrong, I'm never going to use this bag. I'm probably going to give it to Maya and she's probably never going to use this bag. But I really just want to move on to a different video, which I plan on being a Pinterest video, which I haven't done in so long, and it's going to be room decor ideas because I need to decorate this room a whole bunch more. I want a whole bunch of crochet stuff in my room, so I'm going to move on to that. So the next bit is probably just going to be a little look-see of how the bag's finished, if it's finished. If not, it's a half-done bag. I will be making one of these again, but in my colours, like pinks and whimsical colours. Not anytime soon because this is taking it out of me. But yeah, I keep getting mascara in my eye. Yeah, that is it from me and my lovely dumplings, and I will see you in the next one, which will be very soon, promise.